morning, class 6. How are you guys doing? So, there's going to be a lot of noise. Some construction work is going on the top floor. So, we are on the English reader book, the literature reader of your course book. We are on page 48, going down hill on a bicycle. Okay, so before we go to the poem, it's written by Henry Charles Bleaching, a British clergyman, author and poet. He was a Dean of Norwich from 1911 to 1919. Born on the 15th of May 1859 in England, died February 1919, Norwich, United Kingdom. A book of religious work, Lycra Sacra, are his famous books. And what else can I say? I can say a lot about him, because we must know what the poet is all about. Books are Love in Idleness, it's a volume of poems. Love's Looking Glass, Paradise of English Poetry, Pages of a Private Diary, a lot of things are there. So, he was educated in the City of London School and at Balliol College, Oxford. He took holy orders in 1882 and began to work in a Liverpool parish church. Holy orders from the priests. He was a clergyman. Rector of the Yattenden, rector means again related to the church. Some work in the church is called rector, does some work in the church. So on and so forth. And he started writing. So we will come to going downhill on a bicycle. Now, who does not like cycling? Correct? I love cycling. I have gone on a cycle tour also. I have been from Bengal to Odisha Andhra border, towards the coastal sides. It was 700 kilometers. We did it in 10 days, 10 or 15 days, I guess. We kept on cycling every day. Not 700 kilometers, lesser than that, 686 or something like that, close to it. Just for the heck of it, we wanted to cycle. Let's go out. We went out with a backpack and all that. So cycling and downhill, Downhill is a slope when we cycle. It gushes into our hair, the winds come into us and we feel as if we are floating in this thing, enjoy cycling, do this, do that. It's better than skating and jumping around. Isn't it? Cycling is so good. I love cycling. So, this poem is about the human seems to enjoy the thrill of speed. Young men zoom around on fast motorcycles and cars. Films like Fast and Furious are immensely popular, and no Olympic event attracts more attention than the finals of the 100-meter sprint. A test of sheer human speed. How would you account this passion? We love everything fast, isn't it? Fast bikes, fast cars, Fast and Furious movie. that adrenaline rush inside us. We want to do something. We enjoy that. It's a passion, for speeding. But speeding sometimes becomes fatal if you have an accident. It can cause death. It can cause broken bones. It can cause a lot of things. Okay? So, the thing is that what do we enjoy in that speed? Some people only like to watch speed movies. Some people only like to run, that 100 meters or the sports events, when you want to run, that human power of running, that competition of 100 meters sprinting. That is an enjoyment, excitement, which we feel, or rather which we gather in life. And we are always into it. Okay, so we'll come back and I'll start reading the first part of the poem and then we'll go ahead. So be on that page 48, I'll be right back.